Today we are going to download CodeBlocks. We have to type CodeBlocks in any browser. You can type in Google Chrome or any browser, just code, and you will say block and you will say download, and then you will get a first link here. You have to just click on this downloads CodeBlock, and then you will get the different versions of it, and then you can click on the download binary release, or you can click on the downloads wherever you want to. I just click on the download for the binary release. I close this window, and then it will ask you for that, for what window you want to go for this type of things, or for the Linux or for the Mac. So I'm just going with the, for example, window 10, or you can just download any, you can say, version from this. So if your window is 64-bit, you have to check from your system configuration, and just I can click from anywhere from this. So I'm just going with the first download, that is the sourceforge.net. When I click the first link here, I'll click here, and then my cursor automatically shift from one website to another website, that is CodeBlocks website, and here it is saying your download will start shortly. And now I am able to see on the right corner that downloading has been started. So I'll just see, yeah, downloaded. The file is there, CodeBlocks setup.exe. This is how we can download. So you know that first we have to download the particular application, whatever we are going to download, and then in the system we can install it. So according to your internet speed and your system configuration, it will take the time, as it is showing for 5 minutes for me. So yes, within a 5 minutes it will be downloaded, as it is little heavy software. So it is showing that it's 49.9 MB. So it has to download all the files which are related to the code block. Yes, within a few seconds to minutes it will download, and then we will try to install it. So I'm almost there. It's 46, now it's 47, and quickly it will go for the 49. I have skipped little bit this video not to waste your time. So yes, I'm reaching to the limit where it has to be. Just you have to point here and you have to see whether it is reaching. Once it is done, then it will show you the complete code block. And one more thing, I have installed the basic setup. You can install with the MinGW. There will be a one MinGW file which is for the same website, SourceForge. You can just scroll it down while downloading the file. I have chosen the first one. I chose the first one. You can choose the any one from the down series. There is a one MinGW. In my system there is already MinGW, that's why I have chosen the first one. What you have to do, you have to just double click on it, and it will start. It will say that your window is protected. So I just say more information, and I say run anyway. In your system it will not be like that. If in your system it will say if you want to go with the permission. So I say yes, and now it will start installing, and it will say this next button. The installation is very similar to installing any other software which you are going to install in your system. If you want to go with the default, you don't change anything from this. Just click on the next, and then just if you want to change the the path, so I'm taking the path as it is, C program files and code block, and it start installing. That's it. This is the basic step which you have to do. Just you have to click on the install. Automatically the installation will be started, and now within a second you will see the your code block will be there, which is used for C++ programming and other programming. Also, do you want to run the code block now? If you want, we will say yes. If you don't, you will say no. So just click on the next, click on the finished. This is a very easy the way how you can install your code block. So I just have mentioned that we have to install. First we have to download, then we have to install, and you can just give a checkbox that if you want to go with the code block should be open in your window. So now you will be able to see your code blocks is there, and it is not saying that no, it's saying that no compiler is detected. If you want to set as a default, because I have not installed any MinGW compiler at that time, but in my system MinGW is there, so I just go with the I see it's saying no GCC compiler is there, so I'm not going to go with any other compiler. I say just okay, and now your code block will be open within a second, and now you will be able to type the code in it. So just it is saying that code block currently not the default application source file. Do you want to set it as a default? If you want, I'm saying no. For example, if you want to go with it, you can go yes, associate with the with C plus file, whatever you want to. I'm just taking it as it is, and I'm saying okay. Now it's time for you to write a new project, new file. You can click on the new file, you can click from here also, that is your choice. If you click from the this window, just you will click on the new project, then it will say which file you want to. If you click on this, if you want to C++ file, if you click on the next, just you have to follow the the path, the name, the header files and all, and then it will say finish. If you want to go with any other path, if you want to go with the location, so yes, definitely it will ask you for the location. So I'm saying location, I'm saying P is a file name, I say save, and that's it. If I finished, for example, if I click on the finish, it will automatically give me the the very much header files over there, because I have chosen the header file for that. So if you click on the file, if you click on the new, if you click on for the empty file, now it will show you the empty file. If you control S, and you will say p.c, and here you will not say that you are just mentioning that C++ files are there. You are not saying that this is a header file. So save it, it will say. And now if you just start typing void, and it will give you the intelligence for that you are going with the programming part of it. So this is opening, and now you have to close it with, so this is your main. Now if you just say print here, it will give you the printf statement for that, and just you want to type something in it, and you want to go with it, so semicolon here, that's it. So this is how CodeBlocks is going to work.